Fatty liver, 3 tips to lose weight and restore liver health. Hi, if you're new to this channel, I'm Dr. K, or Dr. Kareem Samori, and I'm here to help you optimize your health so you too can reach your full genetic potential. I've been getting a lot of questions about fatty liver lately, and so I decided I was going to film this video for you. All right, fatty liver, first and foremost, the thing to understand is you got to get rid of the simple sugars from your diet in order to restore liver health. This means, above all other culprits, it's usually going to be alcohol. So alcohol, especially in beer form, but all forms of alcohol, tend to really contribute to this fatty liver situation. So that's one thing that I want you to really pay attention to, is getting rid of the alcohol and the simple sugars. The second thing when it comes to simple sugars is going to be like sodas. This is a sneaky way of having a ton of sugar in your diet, or juices, the same thing. Fruit juices have a ton of sugar, especially from concentrate, but all natural sugars, if it's too much at once, it's the same effect ultimately for your liver. And then the third thing that I want to be talking to you about is the fact that your liver is an emotional filter for your body. It's not just a filter for physical substances, it's also a filter for emotions. So if you're dealing with anger issues, perhaps you're holding in anger as opposed to, laying it out to somebody else, or maybe you're having trouble even managing the anger and you feel overwhelmed by it, understand that that also is contributing towards a fatty liver situation and liver dis-ease for your body. So when it comes to losing weight, when you have fatty liver, the things that you need to work on first are getting rid of the sugars, okay, improving your emotions, and making sure that you're starting to pay attention to how you're feeling and communicate it. One thing that you want to be able to do is not project your emotions on somebody else so much as watch your emotions evaporate in your mind's eye. Your liver is just underneath the right ribs, okay? So on the right side of your rib cage, kind of poke under near your breastbone, that's where your liver is. And if that's an area of increased sensitivity or tension even when you touch it, then that's a really good indication that it's flared right now. So one thing that you can do when you're experiencing emotional overwhelm or anger is simply think about picturing your liver, however you picture it, right or wrong, doesn't matter, and then take notice of the health of it. What colors do you see? Do you notice areas that seem a bit black or darker, like dark spots? Or do you notice areas that seem vibrant with health and blood, that seem more red in coloration? Whatever you see, you see. Wherever the mismatch is that looks less healthy, watch that energy evaporate in your mind's eye. Simply focus your breath into breathing into that area, and then watch the energy evaporate as your liver health restores in your mind's eye. That is a real change taking place that you can do through your imagination, and it's incredible. We call this energetics. I sure hope you find this video helpful. I love you, God bless you, and have a beautiful day.